So we are going to discuss the third major point that relates to education and success, and that point is personal achievement and confidence. When you are well educated, it empowers you to become more able, confident also, and it propels you towards more and more success. You know that when a person is confident, that person becomes more able, more confident to pursue more things in life. So when you are well educated, you know that where I have to do what thing, and all things become easy for you. So education is also important in this factor that it gives you more and more success. Try to get more education. At this suggestion, try to get more and more education. Do not think that I have to gain something when I get education. Just tell yourself this thing, that when I become more educated, I am trying to pursue more benefits. It doesn't mean that you have to only get a job or something when you become educated. No, the real purpose of education is not that. The real purpose of education is the development, is the prosperity of civilization of the society. Whenever Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said to some infidels who were non-Muslims to educate the Muslims how to read and write, that education did not mean that they would get a job or something, but that education was solely responsible for making the society better, for making the people literate, educated, and better civilized from the non-Muslims. Get education from cradle to grave. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, get education from cradle to grave, and get education even if you have to go to China. So there is no limit of getting education. Education is like an ocean.